Alright, so this is my individual progress update for sprints 1 and the first half of 2 for the pantry detection app. Alright, so first we're going to look at the breakdown of labor, what I did, the tasks and the points. So first I started out with doing neural network classifier research, just researching how that can be used in image processing, just really broad research, just kind of getting my feet wet, sort of, and then I did complete that. Then kind of prototyping that. I started to, but then we actually have set that aside for now. We might revisit in the future if we deem it necessary, but for now it's kind of canceled, kind of set aside. We'll see if we come back to it. So I didn't spend a ton of time on that. My main task was canny edge detection implementation. So I implemented canny edge detection in Python just to get it to work on an image, just so we can see the image after it goes through each step and just has all the edges highlighted. And I was able to complete that, and I will demo that soon. So that was kind of the main thing I worked on. And then I have this included, but I haven't actually started yet. But going forward, my goal will be to combine my implementation of canny edge detection with Cole's implementation of OCR, just getting those to work together to process images more effectively and start to get some actual functionality of our app going. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and demo canny edge detection in my IDE, and then I will also go to GitHub to check in on my commits and highlight some of my new code. That'll be it for the rest of the video. Alright, so first, if we're here, yeah, so here's our demonstration. We're just going to run this code. It'll take a second to run, and you can see I was able to, there's the original image and there's the image after it's been processed. So it does get most of the edges, kind of loses part of my face and get some extra stuff on my left cheek, kind of with the lighting, you can kind of see that. But it does overall work pretty well and does a good job of capturing the edges. Also kind of with the lighting gets all the creases of the sleeve, but not the whole part, the center of the suit. This actually for my senior prom. So you can see I'm holding the flower. And so I'll go ahead and show it for another image just to show that it's working for another. Alright. It's another image from my senior prom. This one, there's a lot more going on. It did kind of get a lot of the plants in the background. Kind of lost some of the details on me. If we go ahead and look at if the zoom works, you can kind of see my face kind of got messed up with the cheeks and stuff, but yeah, overall it worked pretty well. Alright, so before we go ahead and go over to GitHub, and we can see that I just made one commit a few minutes ago. So if we go ahead and look deeper into what that actually is, there's the commit 9 minutes ago. So originally, I was trying to implement each like part of canny edge detection in a different file, and then kind of work that together. So you can see that's why I have it in this folder junk, because I ended up not using it, but it is still in here. So I was trying to implement and manually implement each one, and then I tried to put all those in one file, and I was still having issues running it and just not able to do it. And then eventually I just ended up being able to do it with libraries from OpenCV, and that was what I just demonstrated was this code. It's pretty simple, but it just imports the libraries, reads the image, runs the canny function on it, and then plots it with the original image and the updated edge image. But it's pretty simple, and it ended up working out really well, and that was it. So yeah, that's all I have for my individual progress for sprints 1 and the first half of 2.